What's going on YouTube? It's Mass, and today I'm in my garage with my 2008 BMW 135i, and I'm going to be doing 3 aesthetic or appearance upgrades, whatever you want to call it, that I received from Colorado N5X. Each upgrade should take no more than 5 minutes to complete each, and just to freshen up the look of the car a little bit and update it. So without further ado, let's get into it. 2008 BMW 135i, the N54 motor. Owned this car for just under a year, and I just recently changed the front bumper to the 1M replica bumper. So today what I'm doing, I'm swapping out the side markers. These are a little bit weathered and old now. So I got the Colorado N5X blacked out side markers. Those are right here, and they're the sequential white LEDs. So it's just going to freshen up the car a little bit and yeah, just update it, give it a more updated look. These ones come with the clips already and the gaskets, so it's literally a plug-and-play system. These are the old ones. I already removed one, and you can see there's condensation on top and just weathered. It's 12 years old, right? So it is what it is. So just for comparison, this is the stock indicator, and here's the new side marker installed. I like the way it looks, you know, like I said, it modernizes the car a little bit more. And yeah, let's show you how to uninstall and install these. So removal is pretty easy. It'll be even easier if you have a trim tool, which I don't have on me, but there's that clip here like you saw on the other one, and basically these move forward like that. I'm going to use a pick and just be very careful not to hit the paint or anything. So you just want to pull that out like that, nice and carefully, and she pops right out. Little tab up here, and as simple as that. So let me show you what you use from here to connect the new lights. So you take your old light here, and you're going to be reusing this piece only. There'll be a tab here which I broke off, but ideally you'll pry this up, twist and pull back, pull out the bulb, and all you're going to do is take this and plug it into where the bulb was, just like that. Make sure it's seated in nice, and you're basically all set for the install. So take your new light, just plug her in. Take here the clip, throw this all in there. Clip side in first, and basically just doing the reverse of removal. There you go. This gasket you'll have to just push down a bit. As you can see, it's bunched up over there. Just again, use your trusty pick tool, and you can just push that down, or a trim tool. But yeah, there it is. Very simple, very easy. And now the second mod today, before I get to the big main one, is a new start-stop button. Very simple. Nothing too crazy, just a red one over the black one that I have now. Gives it more of a sporty look. And this is another simple install that you can use with the pick tool. So in the car now, and basically what you want to do is you're going to pry around the outer silver base. There'll be some tabs, you'll feel them click as you pry. So again, I'm using this. Use a trim tool if you have one to avoid any damage. But if you're careful with this, you can do it as well. You just feel around, you can feel it pop up as you go. There's one. Just work your way around. Just like that. Put that aside. Same thing for this. The whole thing pulls out. And you have a couple tabs all around that you just gotta take off. you go. Now you get your new button out of here. And you want to align the engine section of it to the bottom here. Either you just clip her on. It's on now, not going anywhere. Lastly are these mirror caps, the E92M look. They also work on the 1 Series obviously. So this is how they come, nicely packed. Nice card from Colorado N5X. Check them out like I said. These look phenomenal. I got the carbon fiber. So let's go get these on the car. Now, I know you're going to be upset that I'm not using my pick tool on this, but I have this vinyl application squeegee that I'll use just to pry. Basically what you're going to do is just pry along this edge here, and there'll be some tabs all around. I believe there's 4 or 5 of them. And you'll hear them unclip as you go, and this will pop right out. I learned while doing this, start from the inside and work your way out. It'll make it a lot easier. Okay, welcome back. It's the next day now and it's daylight out, so let's head outside and take a better look at what we accomplished last night. So I had to do a bit of a voiceover here. There was just way too much wind noise. So as you can see here, unlocking it, the side markers flash twice, locking it once, just like stock. No error codes, direct plug and play, no problems with that. These mirror caps just look amazing, flawless, the weave is perfect. Fitment is dead on, they're tight, they're not going anywhere. And this gap here that you see in between is exactly like stock, so fitment's dead on, and it's just a very nice change up over the stock mirror caps. Looks so sharp. There's also no clearance issues, as you can see, folding them in. They're just, like I said, perfect. And lastly, making our way inside for the start stop button. A little change, very subtle, just gives it a little bit more of a sporty look. I'm happy with it. Again, very simple, easy to do. Nice subtle change over stock. Alright, so that's it. Those are the 3 appearance mods I installed in my BMW here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to try to post more frequently here. And yeah, thanks for joining me. Catch you next time.